All right, guys, we don't got much going on today. We came to this secret spot, and then the worst thing that could happen at the secret spot.
No water flow.
There is no water flowing at the dam. It looks like they cut it off recently because there's some wet spots over there, but it's the summer, this could happen. But we are catching some yellow bass, some small fish. Let's toss them back. Ooh, 30-foot drop. I give it about a 4. So we're just using some light poles right now. I've got pearl chartreuse squiggly tail bait, little grub bait with a 1/16 ounce jig head, and Cordero has black and blue squiggly tail on with also a 1/16 ounce jig head. And we are just going for some small fish and making the most of our time today. This is what it's like when there is no water turned on. Just throwing, let it sink for about 5 seconds, and I'm just rowing really slow. Got him. That's a good yellow. You got a bite? Got a decent yellow bass, guys. Just like the first one. Ate that black and chartreuse. Look at it in its beauty. The yellow bass here are dark.
Yeah, dark back.
Yeah, dark back. Oh, we're gonna let them back. It's a good ways, but you got one?
Bluegill.
Bluegill?
Like right there? Yeah, on the edge. Okay, thank you. Blue gillis.
Blue gillis. Let me see blue gillis.
You weren't supposed to catch me.
Well, you know what? If we gonna catch it for catfish, well, you got the skippies.
And I think also you got too deep.
Too deep?
Yeah, it's just
Ah.
Oh, okay. Bet. I'm gonna pull that down.
Cordero got one. What is it? It's a yellow bass.
Pretty decent yellow. Dark, really dark, like you said.
Yep, dark yellow bass here. So Cordero's using the bobber method to set it at a specific depth so that it's easy for them to hit. But I can't get any hits on that on mine, so I am just going straight to the jig.
That's a good yellow.
It's a good yellow.
Thanks for playing the sport, bro. Ball on that side. As soon as it hit the water, it went down. So I thought it was a crappie, and then I reeled it back. But he hit like right here. He smacked it right here.
Yeah, I don't know why, but I wasn't getting any bites on the depth of the bobber. I was using about the same depth as you. But as soon as I took it off and threw this, I got it. I'm short, right? So I gotta use a rock to stand on. Don't make fun of me. Don't disrespect me like that. I gotta step on this rock over here so I can look over this ledge and get to the fish. Got one, guys. Got a yellow bass. You gotta make it. All right. Yellow bass. I mean, we knew it'll probably happen, but
Yeah, but
little yellow bass. Let's get him back. It's a long drop. Hey! Head first. Okay. That was a good bite, but bad angle. Oh, I got him. Yeah, small. No. No, sir. Not at all. Not at all. He just be a little yellow. He was so small, I thought I lost him. There we go, guys. At least we're catching something, right? Aya. Got it?
Yep.
That's a crappie. Ain't no way. Oh no. That's a good one. That is a good crappie. Let's go.
So what I did was, man, I let it sink all the way down. Whoa, dude, that's size. I let it sink all the way down, and then I was slow reeling, and then it was like that subtle thump pull, but he didn't thump it and I felt it. I felt tension. It was just tension, and I was like, maybe I'm stuck, and I just pulled a little bit, and then boom, it was him. Freaking got one, and I got a stringer too, but we're about to leave anyway, so we can just put it in the bag. Target species,
Target
bro.
Species.
Even though we really weren't going for this today, but
it wasn't the original target species, but we got a crappie. You can that's a good sandwich right there.
That's a good shit. Man, that's 2 fillets.
That's 2 fillets right there, boy.
Baby.
We out. Oh boy, something good. That's a crappie, bro. That's a crappie. Holy cow, bro! This thing took off like it was a bass. Look at this crappie. Look at it.
Oh man, George.
Oh my god.
Remember to tighten your drag though.
I'm gonna come to the side.
It's that big.
Look at it.
Golly.
This thing is big, bro. Oh my gosh.
That's 2.
This thing's massive.
Bro, that's the biggest crappie I've seen.
Oh my gosh. I'm taking my time, guys. We were at the dam and I gotta walk all the way to the edge because this is a fat crappie. This is a slabber doodle. Okay. I'm gonna walk on the edge. Oh, you guys gotta see how big this thing is. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's a slab. That is a slab, boy. Now we gotta climb up these dangerous rocks. That's like a 13 or 14 right there. Yellow. Gotta be a 13 or 14, man.
The measure is in the big bag, my big bag.
Right there. So Cordero's his size, and his has got to be like maybe 10 and a half, 11. This thing that I just caught has to be at least 14. Let's check it out. Cordero's 11 with the tail pinched.
11?
With the tail pinch is yours. Mine is almost 14 with the tail pinched. Just a hair short. Wow, that's a good one. Oh, got it. I got it. Got another one.
Yes, sir.
This one's running. What in the world?
What in the world?
I don't know. It's not even coming up. Oh.
Caught a 16. I'm a cry.
Catfish.
Oh, catfish. That's easy size, ain't it?
Yeah.
Might as well keep that too.
All right. Let me come around you.
Go ahead.
I was like, that thing slapped it. The struggles of fishing on top of the dam is right here, guys. Trying to bring in this catfish. Got a little channel. Channel catfish for the channel, guys. What you think about that? Woo! What a day, man.
What a day.
What a day.
We came for high burritos. The water is completely bad. Like no flow whatsoever. Still very, very low. And we honestly didn't think we was gonna do too much of anything here. But the yellows, it's always fun catching small fish, so we always bring a small pole everywhere. Yellows were kicking it off at the beginning. And then this guy next to us was just catching massive crappie. So guess what we had to do? Boop.
Catch some crappie.
Catch some crappie. Jordan got a 13 and a half, almost 14, white crappie. And I pulled an 11 black crappie. And sorry a little dirty, but he flopped on the ground. We ain't got no bucket. We weren't prepared. But, you know, we got him. And it's been a fun, you know, short adventure. You know, life hits us. We got stuff we got to do, so we can't stay long. But interesting. We know when slack water is like this, at least there's crappie up on the dam.